Hello trader, today we learn important points of price action happening in Nifty chart. On daily time frame, you can see the chart of Nifty index on your screen. The price is forming higher high again and also shifting its swing low, clearly indicating prices in the uptrend. The Nifty chart is showing uptrend. Let's see what happened next in the chart. If you notice closely, you can see prices bound in between two parallel trend line. We called this parallel trend line structure channel. Now we will notice which trend line will be break by price. Price either break upper trend line or lower trend line. Lower trend line is break by red candle. Chances of start of downside move but it not indicating start of downside move. Since we are in uptrend, that type of price movement can be trap for sellers. Price trap the sellers and play with them by starting spontaneous up move and kicking them out of trade. When price is an uptrend, 1. Don't take aggressive selling trade. 2. Only take half of the quantity, usually trade. 3. Be cautious of big player traps. 4. Wait for retesting of level and take entry after confirmation of strong presence of player of market in your side. Never forget, nothing can replace experiences in stock market.